What to do if setting icon is missing from home screen on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, let us delete this or remove this from home screen. Now, what you need to do here is you want to slide downwards to get this screen. On the search bar, you want to search for settings. As you do that, settings will be right in front of you. Next thing that you can do is you want to slide to the right and slide to the right again until you see the screen. Now here are all the apps that is on your phone. On the top you can see settings. You want to go ahead and press and hold on to the settings app. As you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to tap on add to home screen. Now you will see settings icon on home screen. Now you want to adjust it wherever you want by tapping and holding on to it until it is moving, and then you want to place it where you want to place it on your home screen. So that is how to fix settings icon missing from home screen of your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.